Hi, I'm Rashida and I'm your trainer for today's workshop on how to make a reusable menstrual pad. At the end of this workshop, you'll be able to make a reusable menstrual pad that looks like this. It's easy to make and perfect for beginners. Depending on whether you're sewing by hand or a sewing machine, it can take from anywhere between 15 minutes to 2 hours to sew one pad. There are many different products you can use to manage your menstruation. The product most commonly used is a wear and throw disposable menstrual pad. But there are many other products to manage your menstruation, such as a reusable menstrual pad, a tampon, and a menstrual cup. A reusable pad is a great alternative to a disposable pad because, first, it can be reused, so you'll have constant pad supply. Second, in the long run, it will save you a lot of money. Reusable pads can be purchased in many shapes and sizes. For example, this one costs 21 ringgit for one piece and this one costs 30 ringgit. But if you make your own reusable menstrual pad, it will cost you nothing or up to 5 ringgit to make one pad. We have made and distributed over 3,000 reusable pads. And these are some reviews from women who have tried them.